Here's how to fix TikTok not saving a video. Now, if you're on TikTok and you wanted to save a video, either one of yours or someone else's video, but it's just not working, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. So let's open up the TikTok app here and let's tap on that little share icon at the bottom right. Now here you can see the third option at the very bottom is save video. All I have to do is tap on it and you can see at the very bottom it saves it. So I basically went through that whole process and I've saved that video. If it's not working, the first thing that I recommend checking is tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right, and go to settings and privacy. Now on here, let's tap on privacy and you can see if you scroll down, you can see downloads. Let's tap on that and you can see video downloads. And this says basically allow other people to download your videos. So potentially the specific account that you wanted to download those videos has just toggled that feature off, which means that they're not allowing anyone else to download their videos. So if we just go back here and tap home, just go to a different video, keep scrolling through and tap on that share icon and see if you can save other videos. Because if you can save some videos from some TikTok videos, then potentially it's just a specific account that has turned that feature off. Now, another thing you can do is hop out of here and open up a web browser, and we're just going to type in speed test and hit run speed test. You want to check to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. So once this starts, you're looking for anything over, say, 5 megabytes per second. Not sure why this isn't starting. Not a good signal. There we go. 380 megabytes per second. So if you're over, say, 5 megabytes per second, you should be fast enough to download any sort of video. So if you don't have a good internet connection, just switch over from Wi-Fi over to cell data or vice versa. Now, the last thing that you can do is hop into your settings here. And once you're in your settings on your iPhone or Android, let's tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now on here, we're just going to tap on TikTok here and we're going to offload the app and reinstall it. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches that could be causing you to not be able to save any videos. Just hit reinstall here. Now, if you are on an Android device, you're just going to clear the cache in the app. You're going to delete the app and reinstall it. And a lot of times going through that process, you should just be able to open up the app and download and save any kind of videos. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.